I definitely feel like India Houck is a family. They love each other, you can tell, and they make me feel like I am a part of it, and that's a nice feeling. I moved to Rock Hill, and of course I was looking for a dentist. In the church where I work, Dr. Anderson, who founded the dental office, was a member, and everyone who I met went to Dr. Anderson and Dr. Houck for their dental care, so it was a no-brainer. They came highly recommended. As much as I heard about them, I didn't know there were other dentists in town. I really enjoy going to India Houck Dental Care. They're all very friendly. One thing that stands out to me is as soon as you walk in the door, they know your name. You don't have to tell them who you are. You don't have to sit in their waiting room long at all. It is like a family experience where people know you and know about you and want to know more. I stayed at India Houck because I really had bonded with a hygienist, Claudia, and Dr. Houck. The staff really make my husband feel comfortable. He had not been a big fan of going to the dentist in the past, but he enjoys them and he has a great relationship with them. They do a great job with my children. I've never considered taking my children to another dentist because they love going so much. I would wholeheartedly recommend India Houck Dental Care because they truly care about you. They genuinely are sincere, caring, and loving people.